Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to see what is coming in the month of May for you. So it will be a general reading, no piles. And I sense a lot of anxiousness right now. So for that we will be doing healing for first some minutes. If you want to be here, be here. If you want, you can skip to the main video, okay? This is for the people who are anxious, restless, can't sleep. I hope you feel better. Okay, I also feel better. So we are going to see what is coming in the month of May. Let's see. See, you need to protect yourself. Yes, I already feel that you are very anxious, that you feel very heavy. It is because there is very strong some evil energy or some kind of like someone being very anxious of you, someone is keeping a track on you, someone is monitoring every action of yours, and that person doesn't have a very good energy towards you. Sorry, I got a little carried away. This person is not someone foreign, probably someone from the family or from your birthplace or very close. Okay, so and you might get to know who this person is, or even if you know, you might get a confirmation who this person is, and because of which you might feel very heavy, again stuck. See, someone is keeping an eye on you. Okay, so if possible, protect yourself. Whatever mantras you have, whatever rituals you have, protect yourself. Let's see what else for the good things. If you have invested somewhere in terms of money, you might get good returns, or you might get tilted towards something related to earth, gardening, something related to earth. This might bring you peace and good results. Okay, so you might invest in places related to earth, related to growth. You might be a little skeptical whether to invest or not. Let's see whether you should invest or not. It can be money wise investment, or it can be emotional investment, like something related to earth, something related to the land or the plants or the greenery. See, I would suggest is not invest somewhere in this month. I'm sorry, but not invest anywhere in this month. The only place you should invest is your family and yourself. Okay, see what else. I know you can be like the people who are watching can be people who do not like taking the easiest routes, but for now, taking the easiest route is the best option. You might get called in an event or a meeting. Okay. you should go there. You should go there. Okay, going there won't be like very happy thing, but it is very important for you to attend that meeting, attend that party, attend that social gathering, because at that time it might not be like something very good, but in long run it is something good. It will bring you a lot of clarity about things. Okay, let's see what kind of guidance you people need to know. There are people who want to help you. Okay, so it is very normal and okay to seek help. You don't have to do everything by your own. I know you have to protect your inner child, and you might fear that those people might hurt your inner child again. But protecting your inner child is your responsibility, and you cannot ignore everyone's help just to protect your inner child, because it will lead to more damage to your inner child. Okay, and you're losing trust on God, on people, on something. You're losing trust on something. You need to trust the process, trust the people, trust the power. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Thank you.